Welcome back to the channel, YouTubians, Pat Card Scale Dreams. First off, I just want to thank everyone for their support in the last couple videos. I really appreciate my subscribers and any viewers as well. So this video will be my official entry into the USACC Group build, the 4th annual. I participated last year. So Matthew over at MCV picked the monogram 55 Ford kit. I built that one. That was a really fun group build to take part in, seeing everybody's different takes on the kit that were picked last year. So this year, Kim's Custom Garage, Kim over there out in Denmark, he picked the 68 Dodge Dart kit. So really excited to get in on this one. So our hosts are Mark Batson, Hobby 007, and Luca over at USACC channel. So thank you guys for hosting this. So this started on September 15th. I'm a couple days late getting my video up, but I just got back from work. So, and then the reveal date, everybody drops their videos March 16th. So they added a couple months to the build. I think last year it was January 16th or 15th. But anyways, yeah, so a couple extra months added to the timeline. Apparently Auto Modeler Magazine's going to do some coverage of this. So that's really cool. So again, I just want to thank Kim for picking this kit. If you haven't checked him out, go check him out. He does some really cool work over there. And yeah, so I guess I'll get you turned around. I don't really have a plan per se for this kit. I've been tossing around ideas of yeah, so I don't really know which route I'm going, but I do have two kits. I've got the 68 Dodge Dart Hemi kit. This is the 2011 release. And then I've got the Dick Landy 68 Dodge Dart as well. This one is a 2005 release. Both kits are unstarted. Everything's in there. I kind of have an idea of what I want to do, but it's either two extreme opposites. But I'll just get you turned around and we'll have a look at some stuff I've been kicking around, thinking, kind of still early in the planning stages. So let's have a look. Okay, so I have kind of two plans in mind. Either I'm going to go with like a bare bones dart. I've got this flat hood. This is by Competition Resins. It does come with the Hemi scoop as well. I bought this years ago before the Hemi Dart kit came out. So I was planning to build an L23 Dart. So there was only 80 of those cars built. And I wanted to build one of those. And then the Hemi Dart kit came out, and I was like, oh, well, now I've got some options here. So, like I said, I could go with the bare bones Dart with this resin flat hood. So there's that option. So So Mark showed it's got the indent for where you can open up these rear wheel wells for the Hemi Dart, which is really cool. So I really like that option. If I go with the bare bones dart, I'll probably use the other body and save this one for a Hemi Dart that I build down the road. But like I said, I don't know which route I want to go, but and if I do go the Hemi route, I've got these Hollies for 64 to 68 race Hemis. So these are really, really nice too. So you can see the detail on these Fireball Model Works carbs. It's just phenomenal stuff. Amazing detail on these things. So that looks really awesome. I've got 4 of these, actually 8 of these. But anyways, I got 2 for this build. If I decide to go with the race Hemi, I was just looking at the photos on the box art. The carbs don't look that great on the kit. So these will be an awesome addition to that if I do use the kit engine. So yeah, those are awesome. Another idea I've been tossing is using the Iceman Collections Hemi Twin Carb Street Engine. So the carbs are in line rather than the cross ram style of the. And then I have these super stock Formula One tires. These are real meaty, and then you got your skinnies up front. So if I want to go with more of a street Hemi, these will look pretty slick under there. More of a, like these cut out, the wheel wells cut out and have a bit of a raised stance on it. So it sits pretty high, like a 70s, 80s style build. I think that'll look really cool. Body looks pretty good. Like Terry mentioned in his video, there's a little bit of issues going on here with the rear part of the trim on this side. This side looks pretty good. Right along that mold line there. I looked at the dart body. This is a bit of an older release, and it isn't like that. It's really looks really nice and crisp. This one doesn't have the where you would cut out for the Hemi Dart, so it doesn't have that. The Hemi Dart does. Sorry there. Sorry, Frank. And just looking at the difference in the plastic, like this feels a lot more brittle. This newer stuff, and this stuff, these older. I mean, well, it's 2005, but still, it seems more solid. Both bodies look good. Just the difference in the feel of the plastic and even the look of it. You can see this is dull and this is really shiny. It even feels a bit, like I said, not as sturdy. But anyways, like I said, I'll figure out what I'm going to do and how I'm going to go. go about it. Kind of like the idea of these things on the back if I'm going to do like a street type Hemi. I was looking at the kit, the slicks in this kit. They're actually pretty nice. They're Race Masters. Let's try and get these tabs off. Actually a really nice tire. So for comparison, these ones that I got, they're a little smaller, not as tall, and just a little bit skinnier. But I like the sidewall look of these Formula One Super Stocks. They look really cool. So yeah, I'm not sure exactly which way I'm going to go with this. Probably have a traditional style rim if I do go with these. I do have some Anson style jelly beans, and yeah, some just I think some Kragers I have as well, but that fit these tires. But yeah, these are gonna look cool. So that's where I'm at with this one. Still in the early planning stages. Was looking at a lot of videos today of others doing their intro videos. Really cool. Love seeing some of the ideas out there. Is kind of making me think a little differently on what I was planning as well. I have this too. I've never tried MCW paints. I have this one bottle of the 68 yellow gold color for Dodge and Plymouth. So I might go with this if I go with like the bare bones flat hood. So we'll see. I think this is a really cool color. So we'll see about that. That's kind of where I'm sitting right now. Still undecided. And I still may change the total direction of the build and go with like a resto rod. I don't know. Like I said, I'm up in the air, and watching all those videos today, I'm like, oh, that would be cool. Oh, yeah, that would be cool too. So I don't know where I'm going yet, but hopefully we all get there at the same time and reveal our videos. It's going to be really cool seeing them all. I love doing the USACC. So fun. I'm excited, and I can't wait to see what everybody comes up with. And hope everyone's doing well. Have a great week. Prayers for those who need them. And we'll talk to y'all soon. Pat out, model on. Thank you. Thank you very much.